How you guys doing? Again, this is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this 3-color design with 2 colors. Originally I wasn't going to record this, but I had to pull out all the stops because I was almost out of red. All right, so the first thing I want to say is if you go back to how to get that extra inch out of your heat press vinyl, I had to do that here. All right, but I had to think outside the box because if I would have printed one, so I printed it in this way. So if this printed out, right, I have to turn it over, all right, and then these horns would overlap each other and cut each other out. So what I had to do, and if you guys want me to put this little part on as a separate video, I had to print one side. So I had to print this side. It's just the way you would see it on Silhouette, all right? Then I had to rotate it 180 degrees and print it this way so that these horns were at the top now, because that way the faces would be close together and the horns wouldn't overlap. All right, now, the good thing about hot peel vinyl is you can quickly do a 2-color print. I already have my shirt lined up just for the sake of saving time. You know, I like to keep my videos short, sweet, and to the point. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I don't know if I mentioned this, but I did this 3-color design with 2 colors, all right? And I'll talk to you guys about that as I press this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and press my first color, all right? I'm on a black shirt. That's the hint. I'm on a black shirt. I'm gonna press my white vinyl. All right, as I line my white vinyl up, check my spacing. Looks good. I'm only gonna press this for 6 seconds. All right, this is the good thing because once it tacks down, I can fully apply the graphic with my second color here. All right, so that looks good. With cold peel, I would have to take this off, put it over there, leave it over there, do my next shirt, and then come back and put all the second reds on. But I can leave it right on the palette here, all right, and then line it up exactly where I want it. Because it's hot peel, I tacked it for 6 seconds. Boop, 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 boop. Make sure it's lined up nice and pretty looking. All right, I'm gonna apply this because a little bit of my transfer, my vinyl was not covered. All right, now, the trick with doing a nice intricate design, maybe 3 colors. If I had to add another color, I'd have been at 3 colors at $2.33 per color. I'd have been at $6.99 in vinyl cost. I saved $2 and keep $2 in my pocket, $2.33 that is, in my pocket by allowing the shirt color to be where the black vinyl would be. Now it depends on the design, of course, but if it's broken up the way this is, all right, as you can see, let me walk up closer. As you can see, you know, all of this black inside, that's inside of the white, would have been black vinyl. But I know a little bit about design, so I know I can make that shirt color because he was going on a black shirt. And now he has a nice 3-color design that I saved myself $2.33 in profit on, all right, by allowing that shirt color to come through and completing this design. All right, so that's something that you guys can look at. All right, it would have been a 2-color. Now, normally we would screen print this job. I wouldn't even try to do it in vinyl, but it's only 7 shirts. With that being said, 7 shirts on a 3-color where you got to set up 3 screens, you got to burn 3 screens, coat 3, burn 3, line up 3. You know, that would have took so much time and setup as far as that goes. So I went ahead and said, you know what, let's do it in vinyl. It's going to be a front and back, actually, but I didn't only show you the front, which back's just going to have names and numbers. So let me go ahead and do it in vinyl, but what color shirts are you going to get? You get black. I said, perfect. I'll do it in 2 colors, all right? So right now I'm at $4.66 in cost plus $1, what are these, $1.80. So that's it, about $6.60 or something. I'm not, rough math, all right? I'm about $7 in cost here. I'm gonna add it back for another $2.33, and I'm gonna be at basically $10 in cost. And therefore, this shirt I'll sell for probably $30 a piece, or maybe $35. Depending on how I'm feeling, maybe $30, $35, because I add the back. I usually charge $10 for the back. All right, but this will be a $25 front. All right, so with that being said, you know, I'm gonna make $15 to $20 per shirt. All right, and it's gonna take me maybe 3 hours to do it. And I got 7 shirts, not even 3 hours, I'm tripping. All right, maybe 2 hours to do it. All the things are cut, it only took me an hour. I can press these up real quick. All right, well, this has been Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, getting my side hustle on. Happy printing.